Hello everyone, welcome back to Beer Money Forum, the place where we help each other to make money online. Today, we would like to recommend you PDLProfit.com, a company by Chionica, an international CPA network in the financial vertical created by the founders of EduProfit. Perhaps you heard about it, the #1 affiliate program in the SA niche. Before I log in my account, I would like to share with you more information about PDLProfit. The company is 4 years old in the financial market. Very important and perhaps the best feature so far, withdrawal time 0 days. Yep, instant payout on request, payout on the same day you request. I like that a lot. There are multiple offers. You can connect with new offers on demand. 4,000 free messages per month. If you need more, they can offer it. There's available a variety of technical tools which will increase your conversion and simplify the work with traffic. Tools such as SmartLink, API, Facebook integration, SMS sender, Showcase Builder, Telegram bot, traffic back URL, etc. PDLProfit pays by PayPal, Pioneer, Tether, WebMoney, Visa, MasterCard, and more. The company provides the service 24/7 support, 7 days a week. PDLProfit is a very stable and secure affiliate network. It's a pleasure to work with. The company have over 300 financial offers, payday loans, banks, credit cards, insurance, and over 2,000 active affiliates worldwide. Let me log in my account and show you the dashboard. Once you log in, on the left side, you have the menu. We have offers, we have the statistics, the page we are right now. Very nice. The tools, profiles, facts, rating, SMS sender. Also, you can contact your manager. Let me show you the offers. Most important. You can search offers by country and you can see exactly how many offers there are by category: banks, insurance, services, crypto, cashback, cost per sale, cost per lead, with multiple steps. For example, I'm very interested to see first some Indian offers, right? Let's see if they have. Yes, they have 12 offers for India. We have $14, $9, about $20 here, I guess 15. All right, couple good offers here too. Let me check out USA. 20 offers, nice, nice. We have your payday. This is revenue share, mostly loans. And let's see one offer, for example. Okay, this is for US. It can pay between 50 cents and $200. Ooh. The client will get a loan between $200,000 and $50,000, depending on their credit history and the emergency as well, bills they have, etc. Not bad. On the right side, you can see the type of traffic that is not allowed. Okay, got it. Let me see more offers from USA. From Fast Funds, from It's Funded, 1 to 3 cash funds, Lend You. This one is $20. Let's check it out. This is $20. Completed valid lead submit. And you get paid 20. Nice. Let's take another one from Fast Funded. The payout varies depending on quality of the lead. It can be between 10 cents and $260. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. Let's make some math. I mean, I take the calculator, right? And let's say we are going to receive about 150 per lead, right? Not max. So 150 multiply with only 3 leads per day, multiply with 30 days, you can look at least $1,300 per month with only 3 leads per day. That's crazy. That's crazy, if you ask me. Let's say if you don't get this much, right? Even if we divide this by 2, you still have a very decent income if you join as an affiliate and promote these offers. I mean, I like it already. All right, let's see some Philippines offer, because I have a lot of traffic from Philippines. Do they have offers from Philippines? Let's check it out. Country, Philippines. Yes, they have. Nice. Over 12 offers. They have cost per lead offers, paying between $5, $45, $8, another 8, another 12, 17, 17, 11, 13, €2. Depends a lot. Let's take one that pays more. 45. That's a good offer. You can loan between 1,000 and 10,000 pesos. How much is 10,000 pesos anyway? 10,000 pesos in euros is €500. Wow, that's crazy. So you can take, oh, let me close some pages here. Let me open again. So you can take you can lend €500. Oh, it's a very short term. I see. 0 interest for new clients. Nice. Very attractive. The client must be, the borrower must be between 21 and 70 years old. Got it. All right. All right. Here we can see how we can attract the traffic, how we can promote the offer. Nice. Multiple ways to promote the offer. In-app, Facebook, TikTok, My Target, Apple search ads, emailing, SMS mailing, SEO, banners, video advertising, community promotion on social media, targeted ads, push notification, pop-unders, pop-up, you name it. There's also forbidden traffic types, right? So don't use any of these because it's not allowed. All right, got it. And only target Philippines. Nice. I wonder if they have offers for Vietnam. Let's see. Yes, they do. 17 offers actually. And paying from €3, $16, 16, €1, 75 cents, $12. Let's see, this one pays more. $13, I think. $16. $16. Jeff App is a loan broker that is looking to boost financial inclusion in Southeast Asia through alternative data. Okay, the lead must be between 20 and 55. Income at least 3 million VND per month. How much is 3 million VND? 3 million VND to euro. Oh, to USD. Let me see. 3 million VND is equal to $120, bro. Wow, that's crazy. Only $120. Nice. Okay, target Vietnam, your tracking link, and the tools to help you track your traffic better. What is not allowed. All right, very good. Nice. It's very good that they have offers for poor countries as well. What I also like about PDL Profit is the fact that they offer bonuses, a lot of bonuses. Not only you get plus 5% the first month, you also get 1,000 free messages per week as a new publisher. That's awesome. That's very good. All right. The company is 100% legit. You can see some of the cash outs here. You can see my balance. You can see my balance. Company pays by Tether as well. Let's check out the facts. So to get connected with an offer, you will have to request it from your publisher account. They will verify your traffic source to make sure you don't cheat the platform, right? They do not allow multiple accounts, so don't do that. Don't break the advert sync terms. Each offer has its own traffic requirements, so you can read them over there. When it comes to withdraw your money, the publisher must request a cash out. There's multiple ways to cash out, like I said at the beginning of the video. The minimum to cash out, it's only $50. I like that. So the better the conversion rate, the more bonuses you generate. I like that. Regarding these bonuses, basically it's saying here that they cannot be bought. They can only be earned as a reward for performed targeted action for each offer in the PDL Profit CPA network. The bonuses cannot be cashed out or withdrawn from the system in any way, shape, or form. However, by using them to purchase goods in the Profit Shop, right? So you can purchase goods in the Profit Shop. The bonuses are awarded for each conversion credited by the offers. The number of awarded bonuses depends on the individual rates of offers, therefore it may differ from different publishers. All right, exchanging bonuses for goods in Profit Shop. Got it. Okay, not bad at all. Regarding the affiliate program, you can see here the conditions for webmasters when you apply. Please read them carefully. They don't allow this kind of content and promotion, so make sure you read everything and don't cheat, because if you cheat, obviously you will be banned and you will not be paid, and goodbye partnership. Other than that, if you stick to the rules, you will be paid on time, that's for sure. So I have no doubt. Minimum to cash out is $50. Sometimes traffic quality checking can take between 10 and 45 days. I've seen this to other CPA networks, so it's okay. So yep, let's see what we have else. The rating, I believe some of the position here, and SMS sender here. Interesting. The tools you can use to send SMS. Checking your statistics, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You have the conversions, EPC, and unique visitors. You can see exactly when you have a unique visitor and when you have a conversion. Very nice. You can filter more. You can see exactly how much you earned. Very good. Very good. Let's check out the tools. We have the Offers API, Consumers API, Statistics API, Conversions API, Balance API, Keyword List, Smart Link, Stop Keywords, Pause Back, Track Domain, Telegram Bot, Traffic Back URL, HTTP User Agent Bots, SMS Sender, Google A4 integration, Facebook integration. All right, nice tools. The profile, and pretty much this is it. This is the platform. Obviously, you're gonna check out offers. I mean, offers, depending on the traffic you have, you will be looking for offers. I'm more interested in USA offers, so I will be promoting these, testing these until I get the best conversion and push as much traffic to get more commissions. Stick with the rules and you can earn a very good commission. I mean, this offer pays for each lead accepted by the lender up to $230. I mean, you tell me if you can make at least $5,000 per month, at least. I'm not saying more. We already did some math, but I think you can do very good. All right, guys, this is it. pdlprofit.com. I'll leave you guys a link in the description. Go check it out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, happy earning everyone. Bye bye.